Evening, everybody. Evening, everybody. How are you all? I'm doing good, thank you. Okay, good evening, each and everyone for the session. Quickly let me know, how do you feel today? All right. I hope you all are fine. You all are doing good. Okay. All right. Very good. Good to know that you all are good. You are doing fine, everyone. So as you can see on my screen, I hope you all can see my screen. We are going to learn about tenses today. Okay. All right. So as we all know that tenses are of three tenses we have in English language. Okay. So what are they? Present, past, and future. Right, children? So, but it won't be possible to learn all these tenses in one class, as this is our second last class. Okay, next week will be our last session. Okay. All right. So this will be our second last session. So in this session, I will try to complete this simple present tense. Okay. And the structures, the negative form, the positive form, the interrogative form, everything I'll explain here. Okay. All right. Yes. So let's go. Okay. So when to use simple present tense? When? All right. When? We use the present simple for routines when you're talking about your routines, any facts or general truth or universal truth, I can say. Okay. In these cases, we use simple present tense. Okay. All right. So see the examples for each situation, each condition. I read a book every night. Okay, so this is a habit or a routine. So every night this happens. This is kind of a routine. So I read a book every night. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a fact, right? Nobody can change it, right? Fact. Now this last one, the earth revolves around the sun. This is universal truth, correct? Right? Again, this cannot be changed. So in these three cases, children, we use simple present tense. Okay. All right. All right. Shall we move forward? Understood this much? Now let's understand the structure. How are they structured in simple present tense? Okay. How to use. So how to use? Here I will teach you three structures. Okay. How, what in positive, what in negative, and what in interrogative. Okay. All right. Now, positive structure. Positive structure means positive sentence. Okay. All right. So here understand the formula of the structure. I, you, we, they. These are plural subjects. Okay. All right. Okay. Before this, I would like to tell you one thing. Are you all aware of verb forms? V1, V2, V3. Are you all aware of verb forms? So verb forms are like this. For example, this is the first form is the present form. V2 is the past form. V3 is the present participle. Okay. All right. So here in simple present, we only use the V1. Okay, V1. I'll give you some examples. See, eat, ate, eated. Okay. All right. Sing, sang, sung. All right. Walk, walked, walked. Now, when you're learning about tenses, these verb forms are very, very important, extremely important, children. So you have to understand this. You must have learned in your, you must have heard of it, verb forms, like present, past, and how do we use it? Okay. If not, you see this and you'll understand. Just understand this. With simple present tense, we only use the V1, first form of the verb. That is simple. That's main verb. Action verbs you have learned already. So we use V1 only in this positive structure, simple present. Okay. Now, what is the catch here? The catch is the verb changes with the subject. Okay. Now, what are the changes? Only the little spelling changes we do according to the subject. So here the subjects are I, you, we, they. These are all plural subjects, right? So with plural subjects, we write each. Okay. And with singular subject, he, she, it, we write eats. Okay. We add an S to eat just because the subject is similar. That's the rule. Okay. The subject must agree with the verb. So, I, you, we, they eat lunch. He, she, it eats lunch at school. All right. Okay. So, if you see that whenever you find plural subjects like this, or anything more than one, you will straight away put the V1. No changes at all. Straight away put the V1 means action verb with the plural subject. Okay. When you find the singular subject, there you have to change the spelling of the verb a bit. Okay. So positive structure understood, children? Okay. Whatever ma'am said now, It's the same. The verb is used in its base form. Base form. Okay. Let me tell you one more thing here. What I taught, this V1 is also called as base form. V1 is also called as base form, children. Okay. Just keep a note of this. All right. So base form. So just now I said this only. The verb is used in base form for the subjects. I, you, we, they. So I just told you the base form means V1. First form of the verb is used with plural subjects. Okay. What are the plural subjects? I, you, we, they. Okay. And any other than this, if we have the, like, children, boys, girls, anything, in that case only, we write simply, we pick the verb form, first verb form and mention that. Okay? All right. Now, the second is the verb takes an S or ES or IES ending for the subjects he, she, it, singular subject. Okay? If there is, see, if there are singular subject like he, she, it, or any person's name or any subject that is singular, that will take either S. We will learn the spelling rules also if we have time, okay? So with singular subject, the spelling changes a bit. All right? The spelling rule changes with the singular subject. Now, see the example sentence, children. I eat dinner. Okay, I eat dinner, watch TV, and study math after school. So what is the subject here? I. That means plural. That's why eat, watch, study. The words which I have tick marked, these are verbs, right, children? The first form of the verb. All these are V1, base form of the verb. No changes. No spelling changes because the subject is plural. Okay. I eat dinner, watch TV, and study math after school. Now see the next sentence. Here the subject is he. That means it's singular. Okay. So he eats dinner, watches TV, and studies math after school. Okay. See the spelling changes here. It's eats, watches, studies math after school. So here we add an S, ES, IES with singular subject. Okay. Depends on the spelling rule. Okay. Now, quick spelling rules, shall I say? Or if I'll say at the end of the session, okay? Let me finish off the structure and then I'll tell you about the spelling rules. Now, negative structure, okay? Negative sentence. How a negative sentence is written in simple present, okay? Negative. Now, we just understood that with plural subjects, we do not change the verb. But with singular, we change. And here in negative, negative means not, right? We have to use not in the sentence. With that not, we use, with plural subject, we use do and singular subject does. Okay? Okay? I do not eat meat. You don't eat. We don't eat. They don't eat. Okay? So do with plural and singular subject takes does. So as it is a negative, so we'll add not also. I, you, we, they don't eat. He, she, it doesn't eat. Okay? All right. Yes, I hope, yes. Okay, that's good. I hope this positive structure and negative structure is clear. Okay, now here, same thing just now we studied. Okay. The subjects are, you, we, they means plural will take do not means do and not because it's negative before the verb, and subjects like he, she, it singular, that means it will take doesn't before the verb. Okay. The subject is always in its base form. So I told you the V1 form, base form, right? So when you're using don't and doesn't, please use the first form of the verb, okay, after these. All right, no changes in that. See the example here. I don't like broccoli. My sister doesn't like it either. So with I, it's don't because it's plural subject. And with my sister, it is singular. That means doesn't. Singular will take doesn't. And plural will take don't. Okay. Is this much clear? The positive and the negative structure, children? Shall we move forward? All right. Okay. Okay. Now let's understand the question structure. Means question sentence. What's the formula? What's the structure in simple present question sentence? Okay. So just before this, we have learned that with plural we use do, right? Plural. See, these are plural subjects. Okay. Just now I told you that with plural we use do and we just add not because in the negative form we have understood not. All right. Now we are understanding question structure. So we use do in the beginning. Okay. In the question sentence, do and does begins the sentence. Do with plural subjects. All right. And does with singular subjects like he, she, it. All right. So this is only the catch. This is the main thing that if you see there is a plural subject given and you have to write the question sentence, just write do before it. Okay. Do I eat? Do you eat? Do we eat? Do they eat? All right. Now, in same with singular subject, we write does she eat? Does he eat? Does it eat? And notice one more thing that we are not changing the verb. It is still in V1. In question sentence also, it is in V1. In negative also, it was in V1. All right. Okay. So here we are done with the structures, three structures, positive, negative, and question structure, children. Okay. And I gave you a slight idea with the verb forms V1, V2, and V3, but V2 and V3 are not required here. We only work with V1 here according to the subject. Okay. See some example sentences here. The subjects I, you, we, they take do before them. Just now we discussed this is again repetition. The subjects he, she, it takes does before them. Okay. The subject is always in its base form. Here also in the question form. Do you speak German? Now here you see speak is in B1 form. Do with, this is plural subject. Okay. So do you speak German? Here, does she speak German? So with she, we have used does. And see, the speak remains the same in both the forms. Okay. Whether it is plural subject or singular subject, speak remains the same. All right. Now, one more expression, time expression, I'll say, or the words I'll say that will help you to identify this is in simple present tense. How? You must have heard these words, children. Never, rarely, sometimes, often, usually, always. Okay. So these words are generally used with simple present tense only. Okay. It shows the routine. Okay. I never forget to do my homework. My mom rarely orders pizza. They often go to the cinema. I usually play soccer with my dad. He always studies hard before exams. Okay? So you see that these words are also telling about the routine, some frequency of routines. Okay? How often this happens. So these words also use in simple present tense. Okay? Thank you for listening, everyone. We'll move forward with the worksheet, okay? Give me a moment. Okay. So let's start with the discussion, children. I hope you all can see my screen. Everybody can see my screen, everyone. Just let me know. Okay, is my screen visible? Quickly a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Okay. All right, that's good. So let's begin. First question is, he dashes homework every evening. He dashes homework every evening. Well, thank you for your responses. Okay. Let's now write the answers quickly. Okay, Pragya, I can see Pragya has answered. That's right, Pragya. Yes, Somnath. Okay. So, yes. See, here the subject is singular. Yeah? And I told you that do does thing. Okay. So, with singular, we use does. He does his homework every evening. Okay. Next sentence. Very good. Yes. Now, 1A, who is writing 1A? Madhu. Can you explain your answer, please? Why did you choose this? Did I teach you ing verbs? Did I teach you ing children? Then how can you answer 1A? I didn't even talk. I didn't even talk about this. Now, question number 2. My parents dash early every morning. Yes. Okay. Yes, I can see the right answer here. 2B. My parents gets up early every morning. Right. Very good. Now it won't be get up. Okay. Now I'll tell you, I've explained that. Vanasmita. See, I told you when there is plural subject, I'm so sorry. I did the wrong one. It's 2A. Okay. Sorry for the error. Okay. Now my parents, when it's a plural subject, okay. When it's a plural subject, we just simply write the verb as it is. Okay. And when the subject is singular, like in the first one, we change it to, means that spelling changes, okay? So 2A is the right answer. Those who have said 2B, please change it. Okay, understand. With plural, we use as it is, okay? As it is get. If it would have been he, she, or it, at that time we would use gets up. All right? Now, let's see the third question. The earth dash around the sun. The earth dash around the sun. Question number 3. Yes, right answer. Right answer. Moves. Very good. Yes, right answer. 3B, because it's singular and this is an universal truth. Okay? Moves. Let's see question number 4. We usually dash lunch at school. Question number 4. Yes, Somnath has answered. Yes. Now everybody's answering. Okay. Now right. We usually have lunch at school. Okay. Have. Because it's plural. If singular, then we use has. Tina, number 5. Tina dashed the violin very well. Tina dashed the violin very well. Good. Very good, children. Tina plays the violin very well. Absolutely right. Number sixth one. Birds dash in the sky. Birds dash in the sky. Question number six. Birds dash in the sky. Very good. But not for everyone very good. No. Now, Madhu, you're saying A. See the sentence. We are learning about simple present, not past, okay? Birds see. Birds fly in the sky. Absolutely right. Those who wrote 5, 6C, that's absolutely right. Now, see the seventh one. Water dash at 100 degrees Celsius. Water dash at 100 degrees Celsius. Correct. Boils. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Very good. Very good, children. Number 8. He always dash his keys at home. He always dash his keys at home. Just see the subject and say the answer then. Now, Ayansh, left is the past tense. Past. Are we learning past? The left, left. This is past. Are we learning past? Yes, 8B would be the right answer. Okay, he always leaves his keys at home. Ninth one. My brother dash not like spinach. Right. This is a negative sentence, negative structure you have to put. If you have written the negative structure, the formula how to put, then you can answer easily. Yes, very good. Prabhat and Surya answers that. Very good. Yes. My brother does not like spinach. My brother singular. That's why it does. Good. 10th one. Dash, she go to the gym regularly. Now this is the question sentence, children. Now this is the question sentence. 10th one, what would be the answer? What will be the first word in the sentence? Very good. Okay, does. So does she go to the gym regularly? The teacher dash the students every day. The teacher dash the students every day. Good, very good. Guide. The teacher guides student every day. Why guides? There is a spelling change. We have added an S because the subject is singular, the teacher. Our 12th one. I always dash to school on time. Remember the subject. It's all about the subject game, okay? Just see the subject and it will answer the right one. Question number 12 now, children. Yes, Shashmita has answered. And Surya, that's incorrect. 12th one first. A won't be because it comes. It goes with singular subject, he, she, or it. And now I, as it is a plural one, will write come. I always come to school on time. 13th one. Ravi dash milk in the morning. Ravi dash milk in the morning. Good. Yes. Ravi singular, so drinks. Ravi drinks milk in the morning. Good job. Now 14th one. We dash to music during our free time. We dash to music during our free time. Very good, everybody. Now please answer the 14th one. Now see the subject, Shashmita. See the subject. What is we? And then answer. Right. We listen to music during our free time. 15th one. The train dash at 9 a.m. sharp. Very good. Yes. Some are already answering. Naval. Priyanshu, check your answers. Prabhat, explain your answer. We are not studying about past tense. Purposely don't give incorrect ones. Okay? That's because this is train, singular. So C will be the right answer, arrives. 16th one. She never dash in class. She never dashed in class. Good. Right. It's B. Yes, everybody is answering. But I would suggest please write the question number also so that I don't get confused. She never talks in class. Good. My cousins dash in the USA. My cousins dash in the USA. So as you can see, it's a plural subject. So obviously, what will go with it? Yes, B. Pinky, check your answer. B. Live. My cousins live. If it would have been he, she, it, or any person, if Ram, Sam, then it would have been lives. Because my cousins plural, that's why live. 18th one. Dogs dash when they see strangers. Question number 18. Dogs dash when they see strangers. Okay, I can see some right answers coming up. Vanasmita, Priyanshu, Sashmita. Good. Dogs bark when they see strangers. And 19th one. He always dash a glass of water before meals. He always dash a glass of water before meals. Yes, that's the right answer. Drinks. He always drinks a glass of water before meals. Question number 20. The sun dash in the east. Let me see who answers first for question number 20. The sun dash the east. Okay, Somnath answers first, right? Sashmita, right. Yes, Smita also right. The sun rises in the east. Good. 21. I dash tea every morning. I dash tea every morning. Yes, very good. Very good, children. Very quick. I have tea every morning. Good job. 22. She dashed her grandparents every weekend. That's great. Surya, that's great. She writes to her grandparents every weekend. We dash our uniforms on weekdays. We dash our uniforms on weekdays. 23. Correct. We wear our uniforms on weekdays. Just because the subject is plural, that's why wear. 24th one, it's a question sentence. Does he, ma'am said the answer by mistake. Does he play chess? Because he is the subject and ma'am by mistake said the answer. So let's skip this. 25. My uncle dash in a bank. My uncle dash in a bank. Yes, my uncle works in a band. Correct. Right. 26th one, students dash quietly during exams. Students dash quietly during exams. Very good. A, students sit quietly during exams. 27. Ria dash to the library every Saturday. Ria dash to the library every Saturday. 27th one. Ria is singular. So think and answer, children. Don't get confused. It's all about practice. Okay, do practice. Correct. C. Ria goes to the library every Saturday. 28. No, 28 was my mother always dash health food. Correct. My mother always cooks healthy food. That's very nice. 29. I dash help my brother with homework. I dash help my brother with homework. It's a tricky one. So read all the options and then answer. Don't go with one or two only. It's no, you're giving either often or always or usually. See the last option, all of these. All of these can be the right answer. Okay, so D is the right answer. I often help, I always help, I usually help. All three are absolutely correct in simple present tense. He dashed to school by bus. 30th one. Surya says goes. Okay, yes, correct. He goes to school by bus. Right answer. 31. They dash football every evening. They dash football every evening. Good. Naval says D. Right answer. The gardener dashed the plants every morning. The gardener dashed the plants every morning. 32. Correct. 32 C. Waters. 33. The clock dashed 12 times at noon. The clock dashed 12 times at noon. 33 children. 33. 33B. Absolutely correct. The clock strikes 12 times at noon. Okay, 34th one. My father dash newspapers every day. My father dash newspapers every day. Yes, good. Again, 34. Good job. I would appreciate if everybody answers, okay? 35. Dash, you understand the topic? Question sentence. What will be used with you? Last question for the session. Yes, very good. Do. Absolutely right. So here we end our today's session. Okay. I hope you are all understood, children, simple present tense. Okay. And this will be our, second last class. The last class will be all mock test questions. We'll revise. We'll discuss. Okay. So let's meet next week again. The next week will be the last class. Okay. All right. Okay, everybody, take care. Good night. See you. Bye-bye. Take a good care of yourself. Bye, everyone.